My question is, can we compare two imaginary numbers? Like I have z1 equal to 3 plus 4 iota and z2 equal to 5 plus 8 iota. Then I can say that z1 is less than z2 or z1 is greater than z2. So this is my question. From z1 and z2, which value will be the larger one or which value will be the smaller one? Like in real numbers, if I have 5 and 7, so I can say 5 is less than 7. Similarly, if I have some negative numbers, suppose I have minus 5 and minus 7, I can say minus 5 is greater than minus 7. Suppose I can plot them in real line. So real line here, if it is 0, then 5 will be there and 7 will be there, minus 5 will be there, minus 7. The number which come at right place, that will be larger. From minus 7 and minus 5 is larger because that value comes at the right hand side. So we can compare two real numbers. If I have 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, I can say this value is larger. 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 3. But what about z1 and z2 if they are imaginary numbers? Like I am taking one example. z1 is 3 plus 4 iota and z2 is 5 plus 8 iota. Then which number is larger? Actually, the answer is we can't compare imaginary numbers. We can't compare these two numbers. I can never say z1 is less than z2 or z2 is less than z1. So comparison of complex number is not possible. No one number is larger, no other number is smaller. We can compare their modulus values, but on the basis of modulus values, we can say modulus of that value is larger or modulus of that value is smaller. But we can't say z1 3 plus 4 iota is greater than 5 plus 8 iota or this value is less than. This one is wrong. So if I want to compare, I can compare the modulus value. I can compare the mod of z1 and mod of z2 because modulus value will be the real value. So real numbers can be comparable, but complex values जो है हम उनको कभी भी compare नहीं कर सकते. हम नहीं कह सकते कि कौन सा number जो है वो larger होएगा. So also in theorems we never say z1 is greater than z2 or z1 is less than z2 in complex numbers, in imaginary numbers, but we compare their modulus value. So the question was, can we compare two imaginary numbers? No, we can't compare two imaginary numbers.